Hi friends! I'm so happy to share with you my favorite and secret chocolate spread recipe that I've been making for a long time. And since I've started making this, I stopped buying the stuff that you get in the store, which is full of lots of sugar and unhealthy ingredients. So this is what you're going to need. You need half a cup of coconut oil. Get the pure 100% coconut oil. Here we have a quarter cup of almond butter. You could also use cashew butter or any other kind of nut butter that you like. But this one, the almond butter, has a very mild taste, so you don't really taste it. You're going to taste the chocolate more, which is what you're looking for. So here we have a half a cup of pure cacao powder. Make sure you get the pure one, not the one that has added sugar in it. So just go ahead and add that in, and here we have a quarter cup of pure maple syrup. So this recipe has no added sugar. We're only using a natural sweetener to it, so it's completely healthy. Here we have a pinch of salt. So give everything a nice mix, and depending on the temperature, your chocolate spread is going to be more or less smooth. So on a hot day it's going to be runny, and on a cold day it's going to be a bit more stiffer. That's just the way coconut oil is. Here we have our last ingredient, which is a half a vanilla pod. So we scrape out all of the lovely seeds. If you don't have this, you can just use a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So this is what it looks like. It's beautiful, it's smooth, it's so delicious. It goes perfectly on some freshly baked waffles or pancakes. I also have this beautiful recipe for these waffles. I'm going to link them down below. Do check them out. They're delicious and super healthy. So I hope you have a beautiful day. Stay happy and stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.